Hi guys, today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your photo or any photo that you have to white using pen tool. So let's start.